Good evening. We are going to have the today's newspaper, that is 17th of September. In the Indian Express daily we will go to explain one article from the explained page. So from the UPSC point of view, so it is about the Sarnath Stupa, from Buddha's first sermon to the emblem of National Indian Republic. So we know that जो इंडिया का एम्बलम का सिंबल है वो लायन कैपिटल, और जो सारनाथ के वहाँ पे जो पिलर लगा हुआ है उसका सिंबल है. ओके, सो द हाउ द डिबेट कम व्हेन लाइक आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे के अंदर कुछ करेक्शन करना था एक प्लैग के ऊपर. प्लैग मीन्स एक फॉर्मल एक पट्टी टाइप में होती है जिस पे नाम लिखा हुआ होता है कि किस पर्सन ने इसको बिल्ड कराया, इसको रिनोवेट कराया. तो ये जो यूनेस्को का वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट है उसका 2025-26 वाली साइकिल के लिए टेंटेटिव लिस्ट में जाने के लिए उसका जो यूनेस्को की टीम इज़ गोइंग टू विजिट इंडिया. सो इन दैट रिगार्ड दिस इज़ ऑल न्यूज़ ऑल अबाउट. सो ASI is proposing to change the name to बाबू जगत सिंह. बाबू जगत सिंह, ठीक है. सो दैट कि इन द सो दैट बाबू जगत सिंह इज involved in the preserving the holy Buddhist site. Okay, so Sarnath, as we know, is near to the Varanasi and is said to be like the Buddha has given here his first sermon, and at place and is a place where Buddha Sangha, like this one. This means the community of the Buddhist monks, where they used to do their intellectual or spiritual activities. Okay, so this one is important, and one is this Dhamek Stupa. This is important because it is believed that Dhamek Stupa is the first stupa or the exact location where the Buddha delivered his sermon. But during that time, like Ashoka has given patronage to the Buddhist stupa and the Sarnath as well. And Sarnath has been continued to be patronized by the Kushana rulers, then Gupta rulers. Okay, so but after that, unfortunately, the Sarnath was destroyed, but the exact factors responsible is a matter of debate, and in that UPSC they will not ask from such that. Then after the Britishers came, there was a lot of research done by Britishers like Jonathan Duncan, Archaeological Survey of India. So this is all about that, and hopefully we will get Sarnath Stupa into the UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Thank you. Have a lovely learning.